Hi, this is Andy Driggs, and today I'm going to give you 5 tips on making your E2 visa application better. First, remember that this is an investment visa, and the more money you spend, the better. One strategy is to prepay certain expenses you know you're going to incur. Rent. If you're paying $2,000 a month and you prepay 2 years, you've just added $48,000 to the amount you're investing in your enterprise. Also, if you're doing marketing, pay for that website up front, pay for the pay-per-click, or pay for the Yelp marketing advertising program. Also, if you're bringing equipment in for the business, get a certified appraisal, get an evaluation of that equipment or inventory to sell, to be included in the investment for your E2 visa. The second tip is if you're purchasing an existing business, make sure you open escrow. The regulations provide that you can make a purchase of an existing business contingent upon the issuance of the E2 visa. If you wait until you have the E2 visa in your passport before you close on the business, then you avoid spending a lot of money and not having an E2 visa to be able to come to the United States and operate your business. The third tip is if someone is loaning you money to help you invest, make sure that that loan is personally guaranteed. It cannot be guaranteed by the business, and it cannot be secured by the assets of the business. Also, we need to be able to trace the origin of the money that you are lent. The money that a lender may give you should be deposited first in your personal checking account and then moved to the business checking account. It should not be deposited directly into the business accounts. The fourth tip is in April of 2017, President Trump signed the Buy American, Hire American executive order. The executive order was to promote job growth in the United States, and it definitely affects immigration processes. If you know that you are going to hire certain people that are citizens of the United States or lawful permanent residents, include their job descriptions, include their resumes, so that you can show that you're already hiring Americans. The fifth tip is that, as you probably know, you need to make sure that the business is real and operating. But what if you're coming to start a new business? How can it be already operating if you haven't gotten the E2 visa yet? My advice would be to be ready. Be ready to flip the switch. If you need permits, if you need licenses, get those and show that this business is ready to go now. This is particularly important when there's been a lot of time since the formation of the company and the actual start of the business in the United States. I hope these tips have been helpful. If you think that the E2 visa is right for you and you want to invest in the United States, give me a call. We'll talk about it. We'll work things out. And we'll see if the E2 visa is the right strategy for you.